Who likes cupcakes as much as I do? Let's make some delicious vanilla cupcakes with buttercream frosting. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup sugar, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, add a ½ cup of butter, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until it's smooth. Now pour the batter into cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. When they're golden, let them cool. For the frosting, beat a ½ cup of butter until fluffy, then slowly add 2 cups of powdered sugar. The secret ingredient and the star of this buttercream will be a splash of heavy cream to give it that silky texture. Frost your cooled cupcakes and share with friends and family. There you have it, delicious vanilla cupcakes with buttercream frosting. Don't forget to click subscribe for more recipes at Nelmar Kitchen.